Good. I don't know how I ended up here. I've tried to fight these battles on my own, but I'm tired now. Every curse, every chain, every hidden pain, I lay it all before you tonight. If you are truly the God who sets captives free, then Lord, break every curse in my life. I wake up and I still feel the weight of things I cannot change or escape. Every night I fight the same old fight, but nothing seems to turn out right. Ndakaremerwa mumoyo mangu, mitori singapere. Zviroto zvangu zvava kure, ndichichema muri mandoga. But I know you hear my cry. Munonzwa mina mato yangu. Even when I lose my way, dimichiedza chandino sarudza. Something in me still believes there is freedom meant for me. Even here in brokenness, dinotenda muri mwani. Break all curses in my life. Dino sunungurwa nemi mwari. Every chain must fall tonight. Simare nyuri noni sunungura. I am calling on your name. Sitare nyuri nesimba. I will never be the same. Ndava mutswamuna Jesu. I am free, I am free. Ndakasununguka, ndakasununguka, ndakasununguka. By your blood you rescued me. Neropa renyu ndaponeswa. They said I'd never rise again. Kuti upenyu hwangu hwapera. Generational pain in my name. Zviroto zvemhuri yangu zvinonditevera. But something changed inside of me. Nekuti Jesu akandibata. Now I see what they couldn't see. Tava kufamba muchiedza chenyu. Still I feel the fight within. Hondo temwe hatisina kupera. But your voice is louder still. Inonditi usacha mwana wangu. So I lift my hands again. takasununguka. Because you broke every curse.